people think when they go to hire an employee, you hear all this talk. First of all, you hear Steve Jobs and Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg talk about the key to success is hiring amazing people, right? How did you become successful, Steve? He's like, well, I was just blessed to hire such amazing, unbelievable people. And me as a business owner in the early days, I was like, how am I supposed to find amazing people to drive a box truck or run a lawnmower or, take data out of this cell and put it in that cell? And I realized pretty quick that the key is not actually hiring great people. It's about building a business where normal people can thrive. Okay. That's a potential gold nugget right there. I'm going to say it again. We've been told our entire lives that the key to doing well in entrepreneurship is to hire great people. Look for amazing people. That's all bullshit. The key to success in business is to build a business where normal people can thrive. And then there's the other side of that where it's cool to talk online and social media about how all employees want autonomy. They want to make their own schedule. They want to figure things out themselves. They want to solve problems. They want to work in an environment where, it's a little bit chaotic. They're making decisions. They're solving problems. I have found through hiring hundreds of people that is also bullshit. People don't actually want autonomy. They want to be told by their boss how to come in, how to win, how to do their job well, and then they want to go home at 5 o'clock and watch Netflix. Like, that's just the sad truth. If they wanted a chaotic environment, if they wanted to solve problems, make hard decisions all day, they'd be an entrepreneur. So as an entrepreneur, we kind of think that everybody's like us, right? We're good at making decisions, dynamic environment. We can just figure things out as we go. As a business owner, again, another potential gold nugget, if you set your employees up to succeed and set your employees up to win and tell them exactly what to do, give them very clear direction. And I think, Sean, what you're talking about is actually giving them pretty clear direction. Like, you guys are just solving a puzzle, solving a problem. There's not a lot of, dynamic chaos of, oh man, this is an environment, this is a question we've never seen. Boom, we're going to go figure this out together in a step-by-step methodical way. And then you're going to know how to win. You are going to have your guidance then. And I think that's a pretty powerful revelation as a business owner, that not everybody's like you. People want to be told what to do. People want to have structure. They want to do a good job. They want to make customers happy so that they can go home feeling like they're doing well, right?
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.